Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Tales Time. Are you planning a trip to Iceland, and you're wondering if Iceland is worth the hype? In this video you will see everything you need to know about Iceland. You will also get to know why you should travel to this magical place once in your life. Iceland is a Nordic island country in the North Atlantic, with a population of 364,134, and an area of 103,000 square kilometer, making it the most sparsely populated country in Europe. The capital and largest city is Reykjavik. Reykjavik is the site of the island's first farmstead and is a thriving city, handsome in aspect and cosmopolitan in outlook. Iceland was founded more than 1,000 years ago during the Viking age of exploration, and settled by a mixed Norse and Celtic population. Lying on the constantly active geologic border between North America and Europe, Iceland is a land of vivid contrasts of climate, geography, and culture. Conditions are excellent in Iceland for skiing, snowboarding, rock and ice climbing as well as mountain climbing, hiking, fishing, cycling and ski touring. Iceland should be named Greenland, and Greenland should be named Iceland. Due to the strong influence of the Atlantic Ocean, the climate in Iceland is quite mild. Only about 11% of its total area is covered in ice. These are some interesting facts which gives you a better picture of Iceland. Number 1. Also known as one of the most epic swimming pools in the world, the Blue Lagoons, where water temperature averages 98 to 102 degrees Fahrenheit year-round, making it one of the most popular destinations in Iceland. Daub in white silica mud, and come out silky smooth and relaxed. Number 2. Iceland's location on the top of the world also ensures that it is among the very best places on the planet to see the Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis. These spectacular celestial wonders are commonly seen in Iceland from September to mid-April. Number 3. Iceland has no McDonald's restaurants. After the financial crash of 2008, the one McDonald's restaurant in Reykjavik left town. Number 4. A small part of Iceland, Grimsey Island, actually lies within the Arctic Circle. The sun never sets there during summer solstice. Number 5. Iceland does not have a military of any kind. Number 6. Icelanders watch more movies than any other nation. Icelanders spend more time at the cinema than people in the other Nordic countries. Number 7. Icelanders are the third biggest coffee drinkers in the world. Number 8. Iceland had the first democratically elected female president, and the first openly gay prime minister in the world. Number 9. Iceland has been chosen multiple times as the best place to live as a woman. Number 10. Beer was illegal in Iceland until 1989. Number 11. The Icelandic language remains unchanged from ancient Norse. That means 1,000-year-old texts are still easily read. Number 12. Per capita, Iceland has the highest number of book and magazine publications, and 10% of the country's population will publish a book in their lifetimes. In 2011, Reykjavik was designated a UNESCO City of Literature. Number 13. Iceland has a volcanic eruption approximately every 3 years. In total, it has over 130 active and inactive volcanoes. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video then subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon.